Political analyst Professor Antonio Contreras believes the Marcos administration is merely being practical in terms of handling the West Philippine Sea issue. He said this explains why the country is maximizing its options in terms of having a good relationship with the U.S., of which we have a mutual defense treaty with, as well as establishing or nurturing other alliances with countries like Japan, Australia, and those from the European Union. Contreras further explained this is actually an effective way amid the bullying tactics and aggressive actions of China in the West Philippine Sea. This while the Philippines is also talking with China to find a way to de-escalate the tension in the region.
Pag sinasabi natin sa China na maliit nga tayong bansa, pero hindi man tayo basta-basta na lang tutupi. Abay, siseryosohin tayo. Igagalang tayo. Parang bully lamang yan. Kapag ipakita mo sa bully na kahit mas maliit ka, ay marunong kang mag-assert ng karapatan. At may mga kakampi kang mas malakas sa kanya na pwede siyang tapatan, igagalang ka.